Here we'll show how to change a few of the BIOS options so the PC can boot up from the USB flash drive. First, you want to do a cold boot of the PC with the USB flash drive inserted. Different manufacturers have different keystrokes to get you to their BIOS settings. You'll have to do an internet search to find out which work on your machine. On this machine it happens to be F2, hit a second or two after you do a cold boot. Most of the screens that will appear look something like this. Usually these screens have simple navigation using arrow keys, function keys, and the enter key. Tab through the menu looking for the different settings we'll review. First you want to find the fast boot option. When this is enabled, the PC will not go through an entire boot. You want to disable the fast boot option. Next you want to find the secure boot option. When this is enabled, only the hard drive is able to boot the PC, so we'll need to have this disabled. Here we'll need to change the order priority. We need the BIOS to look for the USB drive first before looking at the hard drive to find the boot record. Notice that the USB drive is listed last in priority. You'll need to play with the arrow keys and enter key to get that USB drive at the top of the list. Last, you want to make sure you save your settings before you exit. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.